sitting in Cartagena, Colombia.
We are in Cartagena, Colombia, South America. This is the beautiful skyline of Cartagena. Unfortunately, between the city and the ship, they cannot agree on letting us go ashore. So here we sit for about an hour, and this is as close as we're going to get. It's a beautiful skyline. Can you hear in the background some popping? Sure sounds like gunfire. I sure hope it's just fireworks. But anyway, this is Cartagena, Colombia. It's around noon and it's about 85 degrees. Sure beats the temperature back home. We are now turning around and leaving Cartagena behind. I hope next time we come here, we will be allowed to go on shore. It looks like there's a lot to see here. So maybe next time. Goodbye, Cartagena, Colombia.
Deck 2. Lower from an object.
As we're arriving into DSLR, you really get a good view on deck 3. Once we're in the box, going up or down, I'm going to deck 2, because these windows that are on deck 2, you can see the side of the canal. And you can see all the different colors of paint and all the different colors of
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.